How to delete your Google Gemini chat history. So this will work on both mobile and also computer as well. So to go and delete your Gemini chat history, first open up an internet browser like this. You can then type in the word Gemini and click on the first website, which is gemini.google.com. Now once you're on this website, you need to come down to Settings and Help. Make sure you're signed into your account and then click on Activity. You can then scroll down and here you'll find all of your Gemini previous activity. Now to go and delete all of this, just press the delete button. You can then select all time. And you can now see all of the data that's going to be deleted. Just click on the delete button. And as you can see, your chat history has now been deleted. Now what you can also do is stop your chat history from being saved on Gemini. So to do that, where it says keep activity, click on the drop down arrow and you can just go and select turn off. And as you can see, your Gemini activity has now been disabled. So anything you do now in the Gemini app, it's no longer going to be saved like so.